She don't see the course I've already sung, every fight I fought, every race I've run. She don't recognize the work of my hands, like the love I give just slips through the sand. But there's a shadow whispering in her mind, feeding lies trying to paint me blind. I keep calling your name in the dark of the night. Show her my truth, Lord, bring her to the light. Baby, don't believe the whispers tearing us apart. That ain't my voice speaking in your heart. I've been praying to the Lord on my knees, so you can see the truth in me, yeah. So you can see the truth in me. Evil talking, saying things I never said, trying to twist my love inside your head. But my soul is steady, my faith won't shake. I know God's light is stronger than the snake. Every promise I made still stands the same, but you're hearing echoes that carry my name. I'll keep lifting prayers till the heavens break. Lord, heal a vision for love's sake. Baby, don't believe the whispers tearing us apart. That ain't my voice speaking in your heart. I've been praying to the Lord on my knees, so you can see the truth in me, yeah. So you can see the truth in me. Only love is in me. Break these chains, break the lies. Open her heart, open her eyes. Your love is stronger, your truth is clear. Bring her back to me, hold her near. Ooh, love, from crying. Ooh, don't let the devil divide us. Take the shadows away, away. Let her see my heart today. Baby, don't believe the whispers tearing us apart. That ain't my voice speaking in your heart. I've been praying to the Lord endlessly, so you can see the truth in me, the truth in me. So you can see the truth in me, see the truth in me. Only love, only love, yeah. No more lies in your head, just the truth in me.